Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in yqarch for Autocad. I am architect Sonurai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to discuss with you decoration components. So decoration components is used to do interior designing of your floor plans, and it can save a lot of time. So suppose I am going to yqarch here, and I will go to select this one, decoration components, and if you move right side you can see there is index of decoration. So index of decoration is basically commands given in figures, which is given below here. So if you select here index of decoration, you can see all the commands in figurative form. So you can select it from here also, or you can go and select one by one. So I will give brief introduction of some of the important commands. So I'm going to decoration components, and I'm going to select this is arrange furniture. So this is very important. So I'm going to select on arrange furniture, or you can type shortcut command JJ, and you can see this is the furnitures for living room, dining room, bedroom, study room, kitchen and toilet. So if I'm going to select this one, living room, and I'm going to click OK, and now it is asking first corner. So this is my living area. So I'm going to select anywhere, like from here as my first corner, and now I will move my mouse upwards and I will select this as my second corner, and you can see this is our furniture, and it is keep changing the direction if you are moving mouse, and whatever the direction, if you feel that it's good for your living area, you can click once and it will be placed here. So you can think how much time we are saving, and before that we were inserting CAD blocks and placing one by one. Now you can save this for your floor plans, and they can move and make some adjustments. So suppose I am making this as a here, and this is our living area furniture, and likewise you can do for dining area also. So I'm going to decoration components, and I will go to arrange furniture again, and now I will select onto this dining area. And now again same, it is asking first corner. So suppose this is my first corner, and this one is my second corner, and you can place furnitures of dining hall here. So you can see how much time we are saving. So likewise you can do for other thing, like here you can do for this study room, kitchen and toilet, and you have to follow the same technique, and you can easily learn this. So this is for inserting furnitures by using yqarch. You can save a lot of time. And now I'm going to arrange here, arrange WC or shower. So suppose this is used for your designing, like if you want to place more wash basins and WC pattern urinal, especially for commercial. So suppose I'm going to show you one example here. So I'm going to select arrange sink, and I'm going to click OK, and now it is asking pick up a wall. So suppose I want to place a wash basin in this toilet, so I'm going to pick up a wall, and now it is asking arrange mode, sink, flexibility and parameters. So now I'm going to enter. So I'm going to select this one, decoration components, and I'm going to select arrange WC shower and arrange sink, and I'm going to pick a wall here, and now I'm going to place this like here, and I'm going to increase this, and you can see it is placing automatically depending on your area, and you can click once, and now you can see this sink is placed here, or you can call it as a wash basin. So likewise you can do in decoration components, arrange WC shower, and can place it for WC partition also. You can select this, and now you can pick up a wall, and suppose I'm going to pick up a wall here, and you can place WC like this, So this is just for example, don't look at the space arrangement. So likewise you can do this, and you can use this chest plan. This is for your wardrobe plan, and I'm going to select on this chest plan, and now it is asking first point or thickness. So I'm going to select the thickness, and I have given 24 inch here, so I'm going to enter, and now it is asking first point. So suppose I'm going to make this as a first point, and now the next point, and you can enter, and you can see this is our wardrobe plan, and it is very easy and nice. So likewise you can use in your interior designing, and there are many other important terms here. So like you can do this curtain plan also. So suppose I want to put a curtain near this window. Now it is asking first point. So suppose this is my first point and this is my next point, and I am going to enter, and you can see you can place curtain, you can move your mouse, and you can make a curtain plan. So you can do interior designing very fast by using yqarch decoration components. And likewise you can use plaster string plan also. So I'm going to another topic here. This one is plan of cupboard, and I'm going to select plan of cupboard. Now it is asking single mode or multi mode. This is single mode, and whole layer is furniture layer. You can see color from here, and likewise you can inside offset you can select, and thickness I have taken 24 inches. Maximum width I have taken as 31 inches. It is default. I am going to click OK. Now it is asking first point, so I am clicking on here first point, and now this is my second point, and likewise you can see this is our cupboard plan here, and you can select elevation of cupboard, and you can draw elevation of cupboard. But before that you are required to define the space of elevation of cupboard. So I am going to draw a rectangle again here, and I will show you how you can draw elevation of a cupboard. So this is our rectangle, and now I am going to yqarch, and I will go and select elevation of cupboard, and I have kept this as a table board thick. The default setting, drawer door height, drawer door gap. You can see this setting, and you can click OK, and now it is asking pick up an insided point. So I am going to pick up an insided point inside this rectangle. I am going to click, and that's all. Your automatic wardrobe elevation will be drawn here. You can see this is our wardrobe elevation, and you can later on do any changes into this, and you can see it is easily hashed, and it is in elevation mode. So likewise you can compare how much time you are saving. So now this is the section of stone tile. So how to draw section of a stone tile? So suppose I'm going to again draw a rectangle. Suppose this is our wall, and now I'm going to yqarch decoration component, and now I'm going to select section of stone tile and type shortcut command STP, and now it is asking first point. So this is my first point, and this is my next point, and I'm going to enter, and you can see this is the section of tile. You can see this is very handy plugin yqarch. So you can see you can draw section of a stone tile. So likewise you can repeat this process for section of wooden frame also, and boards array, section of blockboard, section of plywood, section wood flooring, section of glass. You can keep practicing this one, and this partition wall. And now I will use to give example of this arrange lamps. So suppose I am going to draw again a rectangle here. Suppose this is our ceiling, and now this is our light. So suppose I am giving this any other layer here, and now I am going to yqarch decoration components, and I will use this arrange lamps, and now it is asking select object. So this is our light. I am selecting this as object, and now I'm going to enter, and now it is asking first corner. So this is our ceiling, so I'm going to select this as my first corner and this one as my second corner, and you can drag inside or outside, and you can see you can place lights, ceiling lights easily. So this is the arrangement of lights. You can do this, so you can keep practice, and you can easily find out how you can place the lights. So now I will go and tell you the most important, this one, indoor elevation. So suppose if you want to draw elevation of any room, you can use this. So suppose this is our room here, and I want to draw the interior elevation of this room. So you can do it quickly by using yqarch decoration components, and you can go to indoor elevation LM. You can type shortcut command, and you can do these settings like story height, board thickness, beam height, ceiling height. You can do these settings. So I am keeping this as a default. Concrete layer is a concrete layer, color is 8. So likewise you can do this setting, and you can click OK, and now it is asking pick up a point. So I'm going to select this as my point. You can see it is easily hashed inside. It has picked the whole room, and now this, you can see this is the arrow of elevation, which direction. Slide the mouse to select the direction. You can see at the bottom in command panel, and now I want the elevation of this side. So I'm going to bring my mouse to right upwards, and I'm going to click OK, and now it is asking insert point. So I want my elevation to be inserted here. So you can see within a blink this interior elevation is drawn with the dimensions. So this is very handy tool. You can see this is the elevation mode here. This is the plan of the room, and this is the elevation. So you can see this is the scale is also written here. Elevation A is drawn automatically. So suppose if you want to draw the 4 elevations at once, you can go to yqarch here, and you can go to decoration components and indoor elevation, and you can again select this 1/4 elevations, click OK, and now I'm going to select this room, and it is asking insert point. So I'm going to bring this as my insert point here, and you can see these the 4 side elevations is quickly automatically drawn of that room, particular room. You can see all the sides of room is drawn here, elevation A, B, C and D. So it is saving a lot of time in the decoration components. So this is just a brief introduction of decoration components. You can use each term and keep practice, and you can easily learn this yqarch decoration components. And now this was the tutorial for the tutorial session. In the next session I will come with some more interesting topics like architectural symbols. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.